Hello YouTube. Hello everybody. Today is a special day because I got this Benjamin air rifle from a friend. This is a vintage Benjamin air rifle made in USA. I'm going to show you closer. The reason I show you is this is still in the box. This is number 310 as shown in the box. This belongs to a magician during 1960s. I believe this was the oldest or the first Benjamin. It's a pump action gun. I'm going to show you. The reason I'm showing you this because it's still in the box and it's has not been opened since very long time. The box is very brittle. As you can see, it was torn here. There you go. It's still in a very nice condition, very pristine. I'm telling you something first. This gun is very famous here in Indonesia, in the place where I live, since the 1980s, end of 1980s to the 1990s. Very famous for power, but this one I believe was the first generation. Why? Because I have a few Benjamin before. It's very totally different from this. The latest model is the Benjamin Sheridan. Okay, I'm sorry, but this is the original plastic as well. This was made, I believe, as I searched in the Google and YouTube, this was made in 1959, and the later model was made in 1968. This is a single shot multi-pump action gun, but it's very, very powerful. It's made in USA. I believe this is a made in USA wood too. Very, very good condition. So what I get from the son of the magician is say that his father used to shoot a balloon with this gun and other tricks. So this is a very simple gun, and the barrel and the pump is made of brass. You can cock it here, and it has only one screw to attach. We'll show you later. This is a made in USA gun, I believe, but I don't know if it is clear or not. Made in USA over here, the marking, and that's the model. It's a very simple mechanism gun. Okay, for the last I try to fix this together. Only a very simple one screw. Pump action guns are very easy. There you go. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you too that it comes with many other things like the brochures. I think this one is the most complete. Gun I ever have. I mean complete means with the box. I like to keep the box. Okay, so the box comes with this little box here, and there are two things. I believe there's a pallet here. Here. Benjamin pallets. And think some of the seals are here. I haven't opened this too. I don't know what is this. Oh, and the pump seal. Yeah. So, to the mud. This is the original bullets. It's very bad condition, very short. I believe it does look like a marksman bullet. It's a 177 caliber or 4.5 millimeter. Okay. So the box is empty like that. I just slide this in. It comes with the box. And this is what's torn from the side of that box. Okay, and there's an instruction too, or a brochure or something like that. And yeah, it's a diagram. Oh, I think it's upside down, sorry. And barrel and the model, I hope it has a date on it. No date. Printed in USA. It's all made in USA. Yes, oops. It's very brittle, the paper are very brittle. Oh, and how to instruction and blah blah blah. Yeah, I think that's all it's about. This piece of paper here. To me it's precious because it's very rare to find one like this in this condition. Okay, so this is a pump action, so after you pump it, and there's a bolt barrel action. If you notice that rear side is very beautiful. This is a very old version of the rear side. I've seen the newer version is not a very good one. The newer version with the metal is longer. And that's the front side. It's very simple, American made. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, some people call this the Benjamin Franklin, but the latest model, as far as I know, is called the Benjamin Ceridian. Well, this lock mechanism, I unscrew it and I put it reverse because when you cock it, let me cock it for you. Okay. It got holes in here. You notice, and this lock mechanism will clip here inside. So sometimes it just fell by itself and I don't want it, so just pull. The later model has the lock mechanism over here, and many people used to pull it also. Okay, and after that you can dry fire this because it's a pump action. There you go, very light. Now let's try to shoot it. These are the pellets that we use. I think I'm going to choose the RWS Super Point for this trial. Okay, let's see. That's my area. There's the gun. And I'm going to put this tripod over here. Okay. So I'm going to use this. Try to 4 pumps. Okay. Good. That's the target that I'm shooting. The beer can. You can hear the power very closely. It's 4 pump. Can you see the action? It's about 8 meters from here to there. 6 to 8 meters, about 20 feet. 20 feet to 25 feet. Okay, let's try it again. This time I'm going to use the Super Dome for pumps. Yeah. This is a Super Dome. Try to shoot the red can. You can see the rear side. Zoom it. Yeah. Okay, that's the side. See that? So that's about all. My Benjamin airgun. God is very happy to have this in the perfect mint condition. Oh yeah, also the price is, I get this is around 180 US dollars that area. It's a very rare gun here, especially in the with box condition. Plastic is actually it's for the barrel, but I'm not going to use it. Okay, thank you everybody. Please like and subscribe for my channel. This channel actually is about banknotes collection, but it's okay, I love air rifles too. As you see, I have my other air rifles. I have my Gamo, I have my Heinel. Thank you for watching and happy shooting. Very beautiful American made.